Indeed, the greatest gift you can give to your family and the world is a healthy you. Protecting our environment, developing our nation, lifting people out of poverty, and advancing economic growth require a sound health. We at Vowcare are committed to it. Vowcare, a pharmaceutical company making its mark throughout India in healthcare, began its illustrious journey in the year 2017. The company, located at Lassipora, Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir, is an active pharmaceutical company which has diversified tremendously into oral solid dosage forms, tablets, capsules, and liquids. Vowcare is successfully achieving world-class medicines at affordable prices. Vowcare has been efficiently manufacturing medicines in solid and liquid dosage forms, tablets, capsules, syrups, and suspensions. The formulations manufactured on site are antimicrobials, antihypertensives, anti-ulcerants, anti-diabetics, vitamins and minerals, anti-allergics, and many others. The manufacturing facilities are of adequate size and designed to meet unidirectional flow of materials and segregated movement of people working in production, packing, and maintenance. Separate air handling units make the facility contamination-free. All manufacturing, packing, storage, and holding areas are maintained in clean and orderly fashion. The temperature, relative humidity, air chains, and room pressures are also described well. It has been also ensured that no cross-contamination through ventilation takes place in processing areas handling the products. We have also dedicated areas for storage of solvents at a separate location on the site. We do not handle any toxic and sensitizing materials. Maintenance and servicing of the air handling and water system is brilliantly taken care of. In Vowcare, there's a well thought out and comprehensive arrangements for the preparation, revision and distribution of various necessary manufacturing documents through well-defined laid down written procedures. The facility has provision to manufacture coated and uncoated tablets, hot gelatin capsules and liquid orals. The entire operations are carried out under the direct supervision of expert technical staff. All the processing activities are recorded in the batch manufacturing record, and frequent in-process tests are carried out at predefined critical stages to ensure that product quality is maintained throughout the processing stage. In the meantime of production personnel along with QA personnel undergoes various in-process tests for bulk samples, coated tablets and filled capsules to ensure the process goes as per the set pharmacopoeia limits. The various in-process tests that are done during the processing stage includes physical description, pH, specific gravity, assay results, moisture content in granules, size analysis for granules, weight variation, friability test, DT test, dissolution test, and leak test for primary packaging. All the raw and packing materials that come to our manufacturing plant are procured from approved vendors. Before shifting the material to the quarantine area, visual inspection of the material is done to assess the physical status. In case of any breakage or spillage, the same is intimated to quality assurance and purchase department. Once the material is quarantined, QC department is intimated via GRN about the newly arrived material. QC analyst is deputed for sampling and labeling of the consignment, and the store personnel shifts the material to green zone or approved section of the store. Dispensing of batches products is done under RLAF in presence of production and store personnel, and only after the line clearance is sought from QA personnel. The dispensed material is then transferred to manufacturing section via pass box, equipped with UV light system and one-way flow pattern. Before starting any operation or procedure, QA personnel ensures that the area and equipments are cleaned as per the standard operation procedures, and also no remnants of the previous batch are present. Quality assurance also ensure that all the previous documents are filled legibly by the production personnel before starting new operations. If quality assurance personnel is satisfied, he gives line clearance for the operation. Both semi-finished as well as finished products are evaluated and analyzed at different stages of processing to ensure that high degree of quality is maintained throughout the processing stage. A controlled sample for each of the product, double the size required for analysis, is kept under ambient conditions throughout its shelf life. These controlled samples are analyzed visually as well as chemically if required throughout their shelf life. Same procedure is followed for the raw materials. Vowcare looks forward to stand together with you to grow in its research to diversify the healthcare requirements.